Hi. In the previous videos, we have seen how to create a competition and how to view the stats of a running competition. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to finalize a competition. The reason why we have to manually finish the competition is because sometimes the system may not contain all data pertaining to the competition as soon as it is over. For example, if the data upload is a manual process and the current data gets uploaded in the next day, a competition that finishes today will not have the data to calculate the final score until it comes tomorrow. So before you finalize the competition, make sure the data has been uploaded. In order to finish a competition, you need to click on View, then click on Finish Competition button to finish it. You can also view a short summary of winners and how the prize has been awarded. This page only can be seen after the finalization. Thank you for watching.